having an awesome day. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and also like this video. And also ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. So today's video is basically me sharing with you guys how you can make extra income for free. All you have to do is just download the app down below in the link. And after that, you're good. And all you have to do, once you download, you just put your information, etc. And then once you're done, you get your own link and you have to share your own link to the people so that you also get money as well. Sometimes they change it. Sometimes it can be $15. Sometimes it's $5. When someone downloads your link, you basically get $5. Or sometimes they would say, sometimes it changes, so it can be 15. So it all depends on the app. So that's all you basically do. No one really talks about this app, so I wanted to encourage you guys to try it out if you guys like to also save money, because you also get cash back as well. So if you shop like somewhere and stuff like that, you actually get something back in return. So that's also a good bonus as well. So it's like a really recommended app that I really encourage people to try out. It's free, so why not take advantage? Yeah, so if you guys are interested, don't forget to click the link down below. And also all you have to do is put your information, basically, like for example, because people are going to pay you, so they have to either put it in your card or PayPal. It all depends. So you have two options. It's like PayPal and then your card, your credit card and stuff like that. So that's how it works. So I'll show you guys right now. So this is what the app looks like. It's basically you get cash back automatically, and it's not points, not coupons, just cold hard cash. So introducing Dosh, the easiest way to make money and stuff like that. And then all you have to do, basically you get all this income in there once people click on your link. So that's what you pretty much get, like 2% cash back. It all depends, and once people sign up, then you get the money. So it's a pretty cool investment. So it's basically you connect your card, secure link your card and debit card. Whenever you pay with your link cards, Dosh gets your cash back. And then so the next one is shop and dine out. Pay with your link card at thousands of stores and restaurants and get up to 10% cash back automatically in your Dosh wallet. And then get paid to refer. So once you have a link, you share that with the people and you get $5 for each one who signs up and links a verified card. So it depends, because sometimes they change it. Before it was like $15, $25, it depends. And then after that, you transfer the cash. Either you can put it in your bank or your PayPal or donate to charity from the app. So that's all you basically do. Hey guys, so that's basically what Dosh is mainly about. I wanted to show you guys up close in person and read you guys about what the app is about. All you have to basically do to sign up is click the link down below in the description, and also just put your info like what I said from the beginning. So it's basically about just connecting your credit or debit card to make a purchase from Dosh, and to also like book hotels or travel and through the app as well, and get cash back. And as an extra perk, when you book hotels through Dosh, you get the most competitive prices available. So that's also the best thing to have. So if you guys don't know about that, that's a really good deal, especially for a free app, and you get free things as well. But yeah, that's like basically what you have to do. And it's free, and all you have to do is just download the app and also click your information in the link. So once you click the link down below, it'll go directly to the app, and after that, you're done. You're set to go. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just click the link. And if you guys have any questions on how the app works, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.